구독해주세요. 2026년 미국 LA.
Let me see the gun. Is it loaded? I suggest you're loaded.
오늘도 어김없이 잠을 못 잔 세런. 같은 시각 친구 추적 앱을 켜는 마이크.
Track your buddy. You have found your buddy.
그렇게 마이크는 보석을 호송할 남자를 따라갑니다.
Don't say anything unless you have to.
자신의 사촌에게 경고를 한 후 보석 가게로 들어가는 두 사람.
خوبی؟
همه چی خوب خیلی ممنون.
این یکی
This is my cousin.
کازینت مگه لیا نبود؟
Oh no, this is my other cousin.
Have you done this before?
Sat in a car for 2 hours? Yeah.
그래서 요런 다이아몬드 몇 개를 가방에 넣고 가려고 했는데
اش کنه یه دقیقه این پشت من کارت دارم علی not you stay here
Just put the watches in the briefcase, okay?
여기에 먼저 차를 대고 기다리고 있으니 마수드의 차가 오고 그러자 복면을 쓰는 마이크.
Hey, what's the problem? Hands on your head. You carrying a gun?
in the car
Get in.
what?
Get in the trunk, Masud. Where's your phone?
in the car
What's the pin?
1324
There's water in the trunk.
곧 마수드의 차로 가서 추적 장치를 제거한 후 마수드의 휴대폰을 챙겨 자신의 차로 돌아온 마이크.
امروز فرق میکنه امروز مثل هر روز نیست امروز قراره 2 تا ست دایمن ببری به جلو 6 diamonds 8 carats each رو هم دیگه ارزش 3 میلیون دلاره
خب اونایی که گذاشتی تو بریفکیس چی؟
اونا فیکن
فیک؟
گرم اینو قراره ببنده به پات پسر حالات نفهمیده بس
잠시 후 이곳 보석 가게에 도착한 마이크는 마수드의 폰을 이용해 사장에게 도착했다는 문자를 보냅니다.
راه برو
آره عالیه.
ببین اون ماشین رو اینو بر خیابون اون تعقیبتون میکنه میارتتون تا هاتون just for safety
Okay.
May I see your weapon? What is this?
It was my dad's gun.
Oh really? Who was your dad? John Wayne? Take this. You bring it straight back. No stopping. What did I say?
No stopping.
자신을 신뢰하지 않아 짜증이 난 알리는 사장이 준 총을 차량 센터 콘솔 틈에 넣어버립니다. 그렇게 호위 차량에 탄 게 마이크란 걸 모른 채 이동하는 운송자 담당 벤과 알리. 같은 시각 이빨을 닦으며 기사를 보는 루. 그런데
Have you seen my keys? I'm late.
Hey, get a little privacy.
If you're gonna take a dump, then lock the door.
I'm pee.
You peed sitting down now.
That's 3 minutes of my day.
Jesus, that's sexy.
시꺼멓게 썬팅이 든 마이크의 차량.
What the fuck?
갑자기 실시간으로 벤의 집 영상을 보여주는 마이크.
Ben, as you can see, my partner is parked across the street from your home. It's just an insurance policy. Same as the jewels you're carrying, also covered by insurance. So let's not do anything stupid. Understand? When I say go, slowly remove your gun, both the phones, and throw them into my car. Clear? Go. Slowly. Stay there, do not move. Ben, get out. Kneel down back of the car. Eyes forward. Personally, I wouldn't die for an insurance company.
Just take it and go.
No, Ben, I want the real diamonds in the papers now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I want to get you home to Soraya, Ben. Help me do that. Where are they?
My ankle.
Which one?
Left.
I slowly move them. Come on, Ben. Get out. Let's go, fucking move. Kneel down. Here, I'm betting you didn't back up your photos.
불발. 주차장에 도착하자 양쪽 눈에 끼었던 컨택트 렌즈부터 빼는 마이크. 그 후 옆 차량 트렁크에서 커버를 꺼내 방금 모은 크라이슬러 차의 커버를 덮습니다. 그리고 미리 준비해둔 옆 차량으로 갈아타고 나가는 마이크. 한편 상위 1% 하이엔드 보험 설계사 세련은 억만장자의 집을 방문하고 있습니다.
Well, you have a very unique eye. And your beautiful home here is a real tribute to all of your achievements. What we offer you is the highest level of protection for all of these things that you care so much about.
Protection. Come here.
그는 벽에 붙어있는 지문 인식기를 자랑합니다.
All me and my daughter have to do is touch it, boom. Opens in a heartbeat.
Well, okay, never seen that before.
Panic safe. One in every single room.
Well, that's not going to lower your insurance premiums, but I'm certain it must make you feel better.
It fucking well does. I had two buddies last year had home invaders while they were in bed. You ever shoot one?
A home invader?
No, a Glock.
No, well, that's not exactly in my line of work.
You're gonna like it.
No,
it's gonna be good.
No.
거절은 통하지 않습니다. 돈 많은 사람의 제안은 반쯤 명령인 셈이었죠.
All right, I'll take that. You take this. And if you hit one of those bottles, I'll sign your policy right now.
보험 계약을 총솜씨로 결정.
Okay.
Here you go. Just go ahead and point. There you go. All you do is relax and you just squeeze when you're ready, okay?
Oh, God.
실패.
Well, you didn't hit Ramon. That's good. That's good news. There you go. All right. Next up, this needs to be on the policy as it is definitely appreciated since I bought it.
I've only seen that inside a museum.
Cost me $6.2 million. But we both know contemporary black art is only going in one direction, right?
잠시 후 그녀는 고객의 허영심과 불안감을 동시에 자극하며 보험 제안서를 보여주고 있습니다. 그때 젊은 여성이 수영장 쪽으로 다가오자
Hello. We also will cover your daughter's possessions as she goes off to college.
That's my fiance, Adrian.
Lovely to meet you, Adrian. We were just about to talk about your coverage for your wedding. Sounds like it's a beautiful venue.
그렇게 실수가 덮어진 줄 알았는데
Are you gonna be long?
Daddy?
No, we're totally done here.
제안서는 완벽했는데 억만장자의 기분 이상의 계약 보류. 한편 사건 현장에 도착한 형사 루.
Well. Right next to the 101. Oh, don't fucking start on that shit, Lou. Jesus Christ, you ever gonna swap out that shit bucket?
There's nothing wrong with that shit bucket. It's maturing like a fine wine.
I can't understand why you want to look so fucking poor.
That ain't what poor looks like. What do we got here?
Round the back, Courier got hit carrying $3 million worth of stones from downtown. He just left these behind, Ben? But he somehow knew these were fakes, or... I don't know. We don't know. Okay. What else can you tell us, Ben?
He knew my wife's name.
단순한 노상 강도가 아님을 눈치챈 루.
And how would he know that?
How the fuck should I know? Huh? Why are you asking me all this shit?
Because, Ben, the one day you carry nearly 3 million stones is the day you get hit. I mean, that's a little bit of a coincidence, no?
Well, I didn't give him any information if that's what you're asking. Okay, this is victim blaming what you're doing.
Did he take your phones?
Yeah, he did. But he gave them back.
또 하나의 디테일 튀어나왔고
Your cousin says you shot at him.
Your gun fucking misfired.
He had a gun.
Yeah.
Why didn't he shoot you?
You'll have to ask him.
I told you don't start on that.
Start on what?
That Lone Ranger shit.
It's his M.O., man.
What do you mean his MO? The MO of not leaving clues
He
behind?
knows exactly what they're transporting when. He cuts the camera line in advance. There's no violence. He's in and out in seconds.
Okay.
Or he disappears or right next to the 101. Come on. He's got rules.
여러 건의 보석 강도 사건이 동일범의 소행이란 가설을 주장하는 루. 하지만 그의 수사 실적 자체가 좋지 않았기에 그의 주장은 늘 묵살당했습니다.
The lieutenant says I should look into a change of partner. Says if I stick with you, I'll end up languishing.
What'd you say?
I told him I didn't want to do that.
이런 루의 유일한 편인 후배의 조언.
But this lone wolf obsession of yours, it ain't winning us any friends.
It's the same guy and I know it.
Well, you better be fucking right, Lou. Because I need to step up, man, and soon.
새롭게 얻은 고가의 콘도에 도착한 마이크. 그는 훔친 다이아몬드를 한 개씩 작은 비닐봉지에 넣은 후 테이크아웃 커피컵에 넣습니다. 그런데 그때 머리에 난 상처를 알게 되고 복면에 피가 묻어 있었던 것도 알게 됩니다. 뭔가 흔적이 남겨졌나? 평소처럼 깔끔하게 끝나지 않아 불안한 마이크. 그렇게 회사 도착하자마자
Did you close?
Yeah, basically. He just, wants to look over the quote.
Guy's like a gazillionaire. He's got time for that?
Hey, I guess that's how you stay rich. Phil,
Yeah.
any word on the meeting?
What meeting would that be?
The partners meeting? The one to finalize my partnership?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I just got to get the senior team around the same table. But Mark is just back from Maui, so let me chase it up.
Yeah, but that's what you said before he left.
Yeah, well, I'm not in charge of calendars, Sharon, so
Whoa.
can we not?
능력은 인정받지만 자리가 주어지지 않아 답답한 실언. 그날 밤 자신이 훔친 보석의 판매를 담당하는 동업자를 만나는 마이크.
So how'd it go? There was an incident. Police? Yeah, just some kid, it's nearly went. I don't know. You believe in omens?
Fuck omens. You got shook up, that's all. This and the next one in Santa Barbara, you'll have had a good year.
새로운 건수에 대해 얘기하는 동업자. 그러자
It's just a Santa Barbara job, it doesn't feel right.
It's a lot of money to leave on the table, champ. I'll have a buyer waiting.
I don't know if it's happening in the middle of the day. But we're going straight in through the front doors, no way of knowing how many people would be in the car. Someone could get hurt.
You got something else in mind?
Yeah, working on something.
Well, good. Now look, go spend some money. Get laid. Relax.
See you later.
마이크가 가자 누군가에게 전화를 거는 동업자.
You know who this is?
집으로 간 마이크는 콜걸을 부릅니다.
What happened to Sarah?
Sarah's not well tonight, sweetie. She said she messaged you. So what do you like to do?
I don't know, just normal stuff, I guess.
That sounds nice.
사실 마이크는 다이아몬드도 스릴도 원하지 않습니다. 그가 오직 원하는 건 평범한 대화, 그리고 평범한 하루. 하지만 평범함에서 너무 멀리 와버린 마이크. 한편 그는 보험회사에서 부자들의 고가 자산 정보를 다루는 세럼 같은 사람을 통해 내부 정보를 얻는 방식으로 범행의 방향을 틀어보려고 합니다. 같은 시각
The latest member of our valuation team, Madeline Adcock, along with Sharon. Madeline's going to focus on high net worth residential. I'm sure we will all make her feel welcome.
Thanks. Thrilled to be here, guys.
Okay, new business. Sharon just valued one of the wealthiest estates in all of California and what is likely to be the most expensive wedding we have ever insured. What's the good word for Monroe, Sharon?
It is promising.
Closed is better. Next up is Phil. What do you got?
Yeah, something fishy on the claim side. 7-figure claim from a jeweler, Samir Kassen. Courier gets robbed the one day in years if ever he's transporting 3 million diamonds.
그런데 사장이 이걸 세런에게 맡으라고 하고 억만장자권은 신입인 매들린에게 인계하려고 합니다. 그러자 신입이 바로
Yeah, I'd be happy to take it over. That's okay with you. Yeah, sure.
한편 보석상 주인 기억하시죠? 운송 중 마이크에게 보석을 털린 쪽. 그런데 보험회사와 경찰 모두 주인이 마이크와 짜고 보험금을 타내려는 거 아니냐고 의심을 하자
I opened my store 27 years ago, and I got 2 other stores. Why in the world would I cheat on my
let's calm down. Did you call him to tell him when to expect the courier?
No, I emailed.
그러자 뭔가 퍼즐이 맞춰지는 루.
So now what you gotta ask yourself is how does he know whose email to hack? And how could he know who's intending to transport something before they transport it?
Same as last time. Email, calendar, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram.
Oh, no Snapchat? TikTok?
She's too old for that.
디지털 시대의 범죄는 SNS 계정 하나로 시작. 마이크 대신 산타바바라권을 대신할 사람을 찾은 동업자.
There's a job. My guy has laid it all out, but he's not doing it.
Why ain't he doing it?
He's lost his nerve. I've seen it before. He thinks someone could get hurt.
My dad always said you gotta break a few eggs, so...
Oh, you're not your dad. God rest his soul. You might not have the stomach for some of the things he did. But if you want a chance to find out, this is it.
하기로 결정. 그날 밤 운전하고 있었는데
Fuck, man, why'd you stop so suddenly?
Well, I stopped, but there's nothing sudden about it. It's red light. You okay? Yeah.
No, I'm not okay. I'm late, and this is my boss's car.
여자는 평범한 절차대로
I need to get your insurance information.
하지만 기록이 남는 게 신경 쓰였던 남자는
Take this and then that should cover the damage. We don't have to worry about the home insurance.
What, you just have this wad of cash? You want to pay to not have the hassle? I don't.
I'm trying to help you out. You crashed into me.
I appreciate that, but I have to go through the proper channels. Otherwise, I'm going to get fired. Let me get a pen.
Yeah, but
Thousands of dollars in your pocket?
잠시 후 서로의 보험 정보를 교환하고 여자가 가려고 하는데요.
you got kids?
What?
It's a car seat.
Oh, no, God. It's my boss's car.
All right. Yeah.
She's got a pair of twins. They're pieces of shit.
Yeah, I don't have kids either.
두 사람 사이에 묘한 공기가 흐르고
I guess someone will be in touch. I don't know how this
Okay.
works.
Yeah, I don't know. See you later.
곧 차로 돌아온 마이크는 여자의 이름이 마야란 걸 알게 됩니다. 다음 날
Excuse me. Hey, I guess you're the insurance lady?
And I guess you're the detective man?
Yeah.
Sharon Coombs. Thanks for meeting with me.
Sure.
Want one of these?
No, thanks. I'm good.
You don't like smoothies?
I don't even like to say the word smoothie.
낡은 차를 타고 소소한 일상이 행복이고 스무디 같은 트렌디한 것들을 거부하는 남자 루. LA에 살면서 LA 문화에 전혀 물들지 않은 사람이었죠.
So you got something for me on the Kassem case?
Actually, we were hoping you would consider polygraphing Chasm and the courier.
Why, so you could deny his insurance claim? He paid his premiums. What do you want to do? You want to screw him in return? It's a nice job you got there, Sharon.
Yeah?
Nice.
And how's public service working out for you? All you hoped it would be? I mean, you do make the world a safer place, so I guess that's job satisfaction for you, huh?
At least I'm not screwing the people I'm paid to protect.
I'm not screwing over anybody. What we provide is what people want most in the world after wealth.
You got your piece of the American pie, Sharon?
I live here by the beach. Why else would anybody want to live in this town?
피해자를 의심하고 돈을 안 주려고 하는 보험사가 역겨운 루.
You know, statistics point to this being an inside job.
Statistics?
Yes. Every series of human actions creates a pattern.
이 진리의 머릿속에서 번개가 친 루.
Nice to meet you, Sharon.
It's nice to meet you too. And you know, we are well within our rights to polygraph.
그렇게 바로 경찰서로 간 루는
Every series of human actions creates a pattern. The area you're looking at has seen 219 robberies in the last 4 years. Arthur, can you please remove every robbery under 500K? Boom.
CSI.
Go ahead, just here to listen. Remove every robbery that doesn't involve a courier delivery service or an armored vehicle. Now, remove every robbery where there was some type of violence used in the crime. As smart as that guy is, he can't help but form a pattern. He knows when the jewelers are moving merchandise and when, I believe, by hacking their communications. He doesn't use violence. In every single case, he hits along the 101 freeway. Last time was south, I bet the next time is north.
한편 은행에서 나온 한 남자가 보석 가게로 들어가는데요. 그때
What the fuck, yo? Give me a case. What the fuck? Hey, you! Hands up! Get fucking hands up! Hey, come here! Come here! Get in fucking ground! Is there anyone in the back? Is there anyone in the fucking back? There's nobody in the back. There's nobody there. There's nobody in the fucking back, huh? Shut up! Where's the key? I don't have it. Where's the fucking key? That's outside. Who's in the car? It's in the car outside. It's in the car. Where's the fucking car? You're not playing games!
그러자 곧 열쇠를 꺼내 수갑을 푸는 남자.
Someone shut the baby up! What? You! Open the fucking cabinet! Don't work here! I don't work here! Go around, unlock it! No! Don't you fucking look at me! I'm gonna come in! Put it in your bag! Hurry up! Come back around! Get the fuck back on the ground! Hurry the fuck up! You come here! Lay on him! Lay on him! Get the fuck on top! Stay! Where's the fucking door, Lee?
Next to the till!
What?
그런데 문이 안 열리고 그러자
Open the fucking door! Okay. Easy, huh? Easy. Remember, I know what you look like.
그렇게 사라진 오먼. 한편 루의 브리핑이 끝나자 조용히 그를 부른 반장.
So what's your objective? What do you mean? You just turned a bunch of random robberies into a series. You understand what that means for the department, right?
I understand that we're going to have
Let me finish. Two of your little examples there are cases that already have suspects. Another one was closed by Fellner 6 weeks ago. You understand?
Yeah, but he was wrong.
No, he wasn't wrong. He went from red to black on the board. That's never wrong.
진실보단 사건의 종결이 중요한 경찰. 미결 사건은 검거율을 깎아먹고 또 검거율은 서해 평가에 직결되기 때문입니다.
Come on, you and I both know there's nothing here that's random. Stop talking.
그리고 루에게 충고를 하는 반장.
You should have been sitting in my seat by now, man. Play the game.
한편 접촉 사고를 냈던 마야에게 문자를 보내는 마이크. 익십당할까봐 초조해하고 있었는데 어디서 만날까 고민하다 고급 레스토랑을 가기로 한 마이크.
It's basically software sales to banks. Blanquette de Veau here apparently is super.
사람들의 대화를 주의 깊게 듣는 마이크. 그때 그녀가 들어오고
Hey, sorry I'm late.
That's okay.
I crashed into someone and those things take a long time to sort out.
I'm guessing he stopped too fast, huh?
You know what? He did, and it was fully his fault. But I got another hot date out of it, so.
아직 경계는 풀지 않았지만 마이크가 싫지는 않은 표정.
Do you come here a lot?
A couple times, yeah, a couple times. The Blanquette de Veau is as good, supposed to be good.
좀 전에 옆 사람이 말했던 걸 그대로 말해보는 마이크.
Are you in LA?
I move around a lot.
Do you?
Yeah, I prefer work.
What is it you do?
Basically, software development for banks. It's sales. It's not very interesting.
No, it's cool.
하지만 곧
I think maybe this wasn't a great idea. You seem super great, and you're very. But I honestly just don't see us having all that much in common. And I kind of have a rule where if it doesn't feel right, you just don't waste each other's time.
But how do you know
How do I know what?
that we won't have anything in common?
Well, I have no idea what Blanquette de Veau is. I mean, I would never come to a place like this.
Yeah. Me neither.
Really?
I've never been here before.
You've never been here?
Just thought it was the kind of place that people, take people. I think it's real.
What?
Blanquette de Veau.
Oh, veal.
남자의 솔직함이 마음에 든 여자. 한편 아내와 허름한 동네 식당에 온 루.
I thought we loved each other.
갑자기 이혼을 하자는 아내.
I mean, don't you want something you can be excited about, something new? You can get it. No, go.
Fine, I don't need it.
Pick it up.
No, I'm not picking it up.
그러면서 자신이 외도했다고 고백을 하는 아내.
See you first.
Do you really want to know? I'm gonna move out at the weekend.
No, you know what? You stay. I'll move out.
Where are you gonna go?
I maybe I'll move to the beach.
The beach. Are you serious? You're the least beach person I know.
I'm way more beach than you are.
Bullshit.
How did your last relationship end?
Work. I had to move.
What motivates you?
Money, I guess. What?
Okay. Have you ever used handcuffs?
Yeah.
그의 솔직한 성적 취향이 마음에 든 마야.
If you had the option to press a button, and start your life over, would you press it?
Yeah.
You would?
You?
No.
What's wrong?
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of sad. Okay, look, I work for a publicist, and we work with musicians and actors and stuff, and like, I swear to you, it doesn't matter how much money they make, it's never enough.
I'll know when I have enough.
How?
I have a number in mind, but no, it's just enough to feel safe. So you think maybe we'll
Meet up again?
Yeah.
이 남자에게선 허세가 아니라 진심, 그리고 계산이 아니라 솔직함이 느껴집니다. 그럼에도
Maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It happened in Santa Barbara at a high-end jeweler in the Central Commercial District a little after 10 a.m. The intruder was captured by surveillance cameras, but is said to have worn a motorcycle helmet throughout the robbery. This follows a string of high-profile robberies in Southern California.
하지만 기존 범인과 동일인이 아니라고 판단한 루.
I'm sorry, which been done now?
Our guy never hurt anyone.
한편 동업자를 만나는 마이크.
Where's my account for the last job?
Why? What's the matter?
Santa Barbara was the last job.
Santa Barbara.
Yeah, I found it. I planned it. I walked you through it.
And you said you didn't want to do it.
It wasn't yours to give away.
You want to cut? Is that it?
It's not about the fucking money.
Well, then what is it about?
It's about trust. This happens again, I think you and I are done.
You're gonna threaten me now? Maybe you want to have a think about where you'd be without me, huh? I'll be here when you come back with your tail between your legs.
같은 시각 경찰서에서 거짓말 탐지기 검사를 받고 있는 보석상 주인.
This is just a formality, Mr. Chasm. If you have nothing to hide, then you've got absolutely nothing to worry about.
No, it's a formality. You know, what I object to is not that I pay you to insure me and you look for ways to refuse to give what you owe. It's that with this machine you're saying not only we think you're a thief, but also we think you're a liar.
범인 취급받아 모멸감을 느낀 주인은
You know, Miss Coombs, those people you work for, they're all parasites. Are you also a parasite?
승진은 밀리고 업무는 떠넘겨지고 고객에겐 기생충이라 불리는 삶. 이런 삶의 회의가 싹트기 시작하는 세런. 한편 마이크와 금이 가버린 동업자는 다시 오먼을 찾고
My guy, he's planning something new. I need you to find him, and I need you to follow him. Here's someone he gets information from. He's a Google guy or something. You watch him, he'll show up.
Then what?
You're not gonna rob the courier. You let him do that. And then you'll rob him.
잠시 후 마이크의 정보원이 그를 만나기 위해 약속 장소로 가고 오늘부터 그를 뒤쫓는 오먼. 정보원은 세런의 회사 시스템을 해킹해 고객 정보, 일정, 이메일 등을 빼냈고
Stepmombuttsex.com.
Just the encryption location. Follow the steps.
음란 사이트를 위장막으로 쓰는 암호화 접속 경로.
Thanks.
마이크의 차에 반려견 추적 장치를 달아놓은 오먼. 그날 밤 암호화 사이트를 방문한 마이크. 곧 그는 내일 있을 그녀의 일정을 확인합니다. 다음 날 그녀가 고객과 만난 레스토랑에서 식사를 한 마이크는 우연을 가장해봅니다.
White Mercedes GLE, please.
Yes, ma'am. Coming right up.
그리고 평범하게 그녀와 스몰톡을 해봅니다.
It's a cool car.
Thanks. Life's too short to drive boring cars, right? Elvis, he said that.
All right. And what did he drive?
See, that would be a gold Cadillac.
Makes sense.
You into cars?
I like the ones with a bit of character.
Would that be old ones or new ones?
Today, an old one.
Today?
부자네.
I need to be in your line of work. So what are we driving today?
If you can guess, I'll give you the keys to it.
Ooh, be careful. I'm good at this.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with a Chevy Chevelle.
Color?
Racing green.
Right color.
Well, 1 out of 2, that's not bad.
Not bad at all.
That is a beautiful car, though.
Mike.
Sharon. Nice to meet you, Mike.
Nice to meet you, too.
Like I said, that's the last image we have.
Are you certain that we don't pick him up in the 101 in either direction?
Still certain.
And somewhere between that turn and the 101, he switched cars.
한편 집으로 마야를 초대한 마이크.
For someone who likes things, you don't really have a lot of personal stuff.
이곳은 마이크가 잠깐 머무는 은신처.
No photos of family or do you have any?
What, photos?
No, family.
Yeah, someplace.
Someplace? What, like in a drawer?
I know, we're just not really that kind of family. We don't really keep in touch. I don't know.
Or do you have like brothers, sisters, mom, dad?
Yeah. I don't know, we didn't really have a lot of stuff growing up, and whatever we did have, I didn't really keep any of it. What?
Mystery man.
하지만 더 이상 추궁하지 않고 화제를 전환하는 마야.
Can I turn on some music?
Yeah. Just a thing in the corner.
곧 그녀는 음악을 틀고 춤을 추자고 제안을 합니다.
I can't dance.
Come here. No photos, no music, no dancing. Someone needs to teach you how to be a human.
춤을 추며 긴장이 조금씩 풀린 마이크는 그녀와 키스를 하게 되고 사랑을 나눕니다.
Happy? Yeah. Scared.
Yeah, maybe. You're not gonna stay?
Do you want me to stay?
Yeah.
Good.
곧 테라스로 나가는 마이크. 그런데 그곳에서 담배를 피우고 있는 오먼을 보게 되고 혹시나 하는 마음에 자신의 자동차로 가고 추적 장치 발견.
This is Mr. Stone. I need a new apartment on the beach. Available immediately.
바로 다른 곳으로 안식처를 옮긴 마이크. 그 시각 마이크의 정보원 집을 찾은 오먼.
Can I help you?
Got delivery for Wilson?
Yeah, I'm not expecting anything.
It's got your name on it.
All right, just leave it outside.
I'm not allowed to do that.
All right, leave it in the hall.
You're gonna tell me what you fucking did, okay? Fucking tell me.
How many more of these fucking garages you gonna make us do tonight, man?
그러다 덮개가 쓰여진 차량이 이상하다 느낀 루는 커버를 벗겨보는데요. 그날 CCTV 속에서 봤던 보석 강도 범죄자 차량이 맞다고 느껴진 루는
Call forensics.
I wouldn't put it on my wall, but I do love the sense of drama. I think you can be confident it's not going to lose its value. The real question is, how much do you love it? Well, I love it. It'll go great with the new chairs.
Really? You sure you want this guy glaring down at us every time we have dinner?
그때 마이크를 본 세런은 그에게로 갑니다.
Wow, what a coincidence.
Hey, that's Sharon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mike.
that's it. Yeah, good to see you.
So do you collect art like you do cars, Mike?
Not really, but I like it. I like the sense of drama. Hey, you maybe want to get out of here, grab a drink or something?
I swear, man. You divorced guys always think you're gonna move to the beach and meet some hot surfer chick. What you gonna do? Take up surfing?
Nah, I wanna think of doing the yoga.
The yoga.
이혼 후 해변가 비싼 집을 알아보고 있는 루.
Of course you do. What kind?
They got kinds.
Big time, man. They got hot yoga, fast yoga, street yoga, Greek yoga.
Greek yoga.
That last one might be food. So you just want to get laid.
Oh man, I want to get fit. Look at this.
Please, Louis, man, you.
What's up?
그런데 범인이 갈아탔다고 추정된 차에서
Except for one microscopic speck of blood. Is it enough to get DNA? Should be.
루의 집착이 드디어 결과물을 만들어내고 있었습니다. 그 시각 세런과 가볍게 술잔을 기울이는 마이크.
I write insurance policies for people who have more money than they know what to do with.
You must know a lot about what things are worth, huh?
Mm-hmm. Too much. But I also have to know a lot about the people that own these things.
How do you mean?
You know, are you a thrill seeker? Are you an alcoholic? Do you gamble? Do you cheat on your partner? You know, all those questions that you can't ask, but you obviously need to know the answers to. So you get real good at reading people.
What have you read about me?
상위 1%의 속물들을 상대하며 산전수전 다 겪은 세련의 사람 보는 눈은 보통이 아니었습니다.
Well, you look like a person who has secrets.
John.
Your shirt's new or newly pressed, which says you don't do your own laundry or you're a bit OCD. You're very groomed. Your hair, your nails, your $12,000 watch there. Everything is just a little too perfect. Which tells me you have a lot of money and a lot of time on your hands, Mike. Got the clothes, the cars, but you can't seem to look me in the eye. And I'd bet you didn't grow up with money.
How do you figure that?
Because people who grow up in chaos crave order.
You talking about me or you?
Maybe both.
더 이상 젠틀한 가면을 쓰고 있을 이유가 없어진 그는 차가운 본색을 드러냅니다.
I have a confession to make.
Really? I haven't finished my drink.
This wasn't a coincidence, us meeting again.
Oh.
I came here to talk to you.
You followed me.
I came here to make you a business proposition. You see, I know some things about you too, Sharon.
Really? Like what?
You live alone, you're not married, you never have been. No children. You've worked at the same company for 11 years. You're a VP when you should be a partner.
Who the fuck are you?
Just give me 30 seconds. What I have to offer you is zero risk to you and a huge upside, a life-changing upside.
No, that's okay. That's
what I do is I take certain pieces of information from people like you, and those ultra-high value items belonging to the rich guys you mentioned, well, I occasionally make them disappear. But I do it in a way that no one can trace it, no one gets hurt, except maybe the shareholders of companies like yours.
So you're a thief. Let me tell you something, Mike. I've gotten where I've gotten through hard work. I don't lie, I don't steal, and I certainly don't cheat. And I'm not about to start now.
Guys you work for, you think they're squeaky clean? Mark made partner in 5 years. How do you think I know that? I mean, you really think those guys give a fuck about you?
Have a nice life, Mike.
Hey, if you change your mind, just post a photo of the beach on Instagram and I'll know to come find you.
Look, I don't know if anybody's ever told you this, but you live a fucked up life.
그렇게 그녀가 자신의 차에 타는데요. 그녀를 미행하는 그 오토바이맨을 또다시 보게 된 마이크는 나쁜 예감을 안고 자신의 차에 탑니다. 명상 앱을 켜고 마음을 안정시키고 있는 여자.
Your body. Consciously breathe this tension out. Breathe it out. Let your heart open up to the presence of love all around.
동업자와는 결별했고 정보원과는 연락이 끊긴 상황에서 산타바바라 사건의 오토바이맨이 등장한 걸로 봐선 그가 바로 동업자가 보낸 사람이란 걸 눈치채는 마이크. 하지만 다시 일어나 도망을 가고
Found me.
Who you working for?
Alright.
Who you working for?
Boy. Well, you know, I'm pretty much in between positions right now. I'm looking to pursue a career in hospitality. So
What did he tell you to do?
Oh,
Yeah, what did he tell you to do?
your boyfriend?
He tell you to follow me?
Bro, I'm not gay.
Hey, stop fucking around. Did he tell you to follow me?
Your boyfriend?
Did he tell you to follow me?
I'm not gay.
What did he tell you to do?
If I was gay,
What did he tell you to do? Fucking what? What did he tell you to do? All right. You tell him I see you again, you're both dead. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah. Okay.
해변가로 이사 오기 전 요가 학원부터 등록을 한 루. 이곳에서 세런을 보게 됩니다.
What are you doing here, detective?
What a coincidence.
Is it? This keeps happening to me.
All the lousy yoga joints in LA.
You either had a drastic change of circumstance or you're stalking me.
Just trying something new.
Trial separation?
이런 건 도대체 어떻게 아는 거야?
Wonder if it's fun being as smart as you, Sharon.
I'm sorry. I'm just not having a great week.
그렇게 그녀가 나간 후 바로 전화를 받게 되는 루.
Townsend just took a call from Lafayette Jewelers. He says there's someone hanging around the outside of the store who's all wrong. Sounds like our guy, Lou.
Why would he be our guy?
He's a half mile from the 101, and the owner says there's also a suspicious car across the street.
What's he driving?
It's a dark one with blacked out windows, just like the one we found.
그러자 바로 현장으로 달려간 루.
On the ground! On the ground now!
이미 뒤집어진 현장.
Does he have a weapon?
No, I didn't see one.
Stand up!
You think he's there?
No, it's a fucking kid.
Calling RA.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, stand back!
Hey, calling RA. Wake up, Townsend. What are you doing? Cuff him. Patrol got an officer involved shooting.
Lou!
What?
He says it's his car.
Which car?
The black one, he says it's his car.
Rolling RA.
그런데 강도를 쏜 타운센트가
He had a gun.
What?
He had a fucking gun.
What are you talking about?
Hey, what? He had a fucking gun. See for yourself.
자기 보호를 위해 강도 가방에 있던 총을 강도의 손에 쥐어준 타운센트. 이 사건 후 내부 조사가 시작됩니다.
You got about 30 minutes before the shooting board arrives. At this stage, you just need to get your statement straight.
Yeah, he hadn't drunk.
You sure about that?
Gun was still in his bag.
Well, then we have a problem.
I don't want to bury anybody, but I saw what I saw.
We have a problem because your statement won't tally with Detective Townsend's.
Oh, yeah? Well, that's not exactly a big surprise.
Or your partner's. Tillman's account agrees with Townsend's. Suspect was gun in hand, about to fire on a police officer.
개인의 진실보단 집단의 생존을 선택한 파트너.
And when times are difficult, we pull together. The three of you are suspended until the investigation's concluded. After which time, you'll be welcome back. Unless one man should choose a different path.
그 시각 세련의 업무를 가로챈 신입이 계약을 따내 사장이 축하하고 있습니다.
Brought Monroe in on a state, and she brought Monroe in on a significant coverage on that wedding at Beverly Wilshire. It's a great start, Madeline.
Well, good job.
All right.
The mini boo. Thank you.
자신이 쌓아 올린 걸 남이 수확하는 장면에 찹찹해지는 세련.
Start, Madeline. Keep it together.
He actually wants to extend cover to the wedding favors as well. Yeah.
What's he giving him?
Diamonds for the bridal party, around 12 karat each, so that's an extra $5.5 million.
That's nice,
Yeah.
but also high risk. Make sure they have a good security plan, yeah?
Of course, I'm already on it.
All right.
I think that's it, everybody. Madeline, Good start.
딜러리 선물만 550만 달러라니 역시 억만장자 스케일.
Sharon, we'll go back to 5. Real quick.
Yeah, sure.
사장은 그녀의 승진 이야기를 꺼내더니
The thinking is, given the year that we had, we're going to put a pin in it until early next year. We really want to get a clear financial picture of everything before we make a decision. Okay, so hang tight.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it was my understanding that we had a really good financial year. I mean, not least thanks to several of the policies that I wrote. The numbers.
Yeah, we looked at the numbers, and that's why come January, we think you're going to be pretty happy, but you got to hang in there until then.
Well, you said that last January.
Well, good things come to those who wait, Sharon.
But I've been waiting. I've been here for 11 years.
I'm aware. What's your question, Sharon?
My question is, if it's not going to happen, then I just would like to know that so I can start considering myself and maybe my clients. That's all.
Oh, you mean go to a competitor?
Well, I mean, I'm just saying.
You think one of our competitors is just going to snatch you up because you're going to present them the numbers? I got a number for you, Sharon. 53. It's not a good number for a woman in this business, is it? Because we know what those rich guys are really buying, and it's not 53. Don't threaten me.
결국 기다려도 난 승진 안 된다는 거네. 한편 이 차량에 대한 DNA 일치 결과가 나오고
I can take that.
고아였던 그가 위탁 가정에서 자랐다는 사실을 알게 된 루. 한편 해변으로 간 세런은 사진을 찍어 인스타에 올리고 이게 마이크 스마트폰의 알림으로 뜨자 게시물을 확인하는 남자. 그녀가 마음을 바꿔 마이크의 편에 설 거란 신호를 보낸 것이고 다음 날 만난 두 사람.
There's a courier coming in from Antwerp. He's carrying watches and gems for a billionaire who's getting married. Wedding favors. With a value of 5.5 million.
셰런이 감정하고 보완 계획을 세운 건 이걸 자신이 뒤집으려고 하는 겁니다.
Where?
The Beverly Wilshire.
What's the security setup?
We insist that armed security stay with our courier until the transaction is completed. And there's one more thing. The buyer is paying cash for everything. This way he doesn't pay tax and the vendor doesn't have to declare to the IRS. You're looking at $11 million in that room.
합치면 1,650만 달러가 한 장소에 모이는 것이었죠.
Of which I want 3.
Is there separate security for the cash?
I don't know. We don't insure the cash.
So there could be.
Could be.
It's a lot of guns. You know, it's a busy location. I'd say it's too risky.
Can I ask you something? Have you ever done a job for $11 million?
No, I haven't.
Isn't that what you guys call walk-away money?
No, that's the thing about walk-away money is you got to be able to walk away with it. What made you change your mind anyway?
Maybe there comes a moment when you realize you don't have as much time as you thought you had.
한편 해변가에 있는 비싼 집으로 거처를 옮긴 루.
This is a new home. On.
그날 밤 루는 DNA 보고서에 적힌 제임스의 최종 주소지를 찾습니다. 곧 그의 위탁모로 추정되는 여자가 나오고
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Detective Lupesnik from LAPD. I got this address as a last known domicile for a man by the name of James Davis. Does that name mean anything to you?
Why would you be looking for him here?
You know Mr. Davis.
한편 운동하던 마이크에게 메시지가 한 개 도착하고
James, it's Anne, sweetheart. I don't know if this number works, but I'd like to speak with you. Will you call me if you can?
Okay, boys. It's bedtime. Come on, let's go. Why don't you leave your number?
그렇게 가려는데 전화가 걸려오고
Hello? James?
Is everything okay?
A man came to look for you, a policeman. He's concerned about your safety.
Hello, James.
세론이 말한 건 안 하려고 했었는데 하지만 잡히기 전에 정해둔 액수를 갖고 사라지기로 결심한 마이크는
Jesus Christ!
Listen, the courier, when did you fly?
What?
The courier you were telling me about. Well, when's you fly?
I don't know. I don't.
Days or weeks?
Well, the wedding is on a Sunday, so I'm guessing Friday or Saturday.
Take this. Keep it on. After we speak, take out the SIM, destroy it, then dispose of the phone.
Seriously?
Isn't this what you want?
다음 날 베벌리 윌셔 호텔에 사전 답사를 가는 마이크.
Hi, I was wondering if it'd be possible to take a look at the wedding suite.
Let me see what I can show you.
Hold there, please.
Yes.
Hey, I need you to get me the flight number. And the security guard, I need a name.
그렇게 신입이 퇴근하자 시스템에 접속하는 세런. 마이크와 통화했던 전화기 버리고 들어왔는데
Shut the fuck up. I'm not fucking here for that, okay? You know I'm here for. Hey, you're gonna fucking give me what you gave me, get to keep your face, okay? Okay. Yeah? You're gonna tell me what you gave him.
다음 날 요가 수업을 마친 루를 찾은 세런.
Can I buy you a coffee?
지금까지 일어난 일을 루이에게 말하는 세런.
And what did you tell the guy who attacked you?
I told him everything I told you.
Same as you told us, Mike?
Yeah. Seeing as I told you all this, is that going to keep me out of jail?
You basically confessed to a conspiracy to commit gross larceny.
Yeah.
We go official with this. Like it's ugly.
자백이 자신을 구원할 줄 알았는데 오히려 올가미가 된 상황.
There's somewhere you can stay for a few days.
이렇게 갈 곳 없는 세런에게
Stay at my place. Be safe.
하지만 그녀를 보호하는 대신
Tell me more about this Mike.
한편 정직 중인 루가 증거 보관소를 찾고
How you doing? I need to review the evidence from that case from last week.
Ah, you go. It's late. You know where it is because I'm closing up in town.
It won't be more than 5 minutes.
이곳에서 카셈 강도건 증거물 중 위조 다이아몬드를 찾은 루. 한편 마야를 만나는 마이크.
I gotta go out of town for a while.
Why?
The work thing. This opportunity's come up and I have to go.
For how long?
I'm not sure exactly. You know, it could be a while.
And what is it that you do?
I told you. Hey, can I grab a drink?
Sure. Give me a second.
Look at me. Look at me or I'm leaving. Do you know how fucked up this is? I mean, I'm walking around thinking about how much I like you, and then I realize I don't even know you. I mean, you haven't told me anything. There are no photographs of your past. You seem to have no family. You have no friends. You have. There's nothing.
Maya, I'm just asking you to wait for me.
Wait for what? For you to get to some magic number?
Don't patronize me. Because you don't understand, it doesn't matter.
What, money?
Yeah, if you grow up with no money, then you don't have any choices. And then bad shit happens, bad things come into your life. I'm just asking you to wait a short time. I'm not where I need to be yet, okay?
I think you are.
돈이 아니라 마야 옆, 연인 옆에 이미 도착했단 뜻. 그리고 이 말 후 자리를 뜨는 마야. 하지만 마이클은 멈출 수 없습니다. 이미 열차에 올라탔기 때문이었죠. 한편 항공편 추적 앱으로 운송원의 도착 시간을 확인하는 루. 그러자 옷을 입고 나갈 준비를 하고
Look at you. Pretending to be a capitalist?
Something like that. How'd you sleep?
Good.
But make yourself at home.
경호원 로버트 넬슨이 공항에 도착한 걸 확인한 마이크는 그에게로 가고
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm here for a pickup. My phone's about to die. You don't have a charge that I could borrow, do you?
I do, buddy, but I'm...
Hands on the steering wheel.
Please don't hurt my family.
Start by handing me your phone.
그 시각 호텔 직원으로 위장하는 오먼.
Please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may continue to use the cellular function.
Mr. Foster?
Yes?
Please follow me.
Foster? Welcome. Right, you're good to go?
Can I see some ID?
포스터로 위장한 루. 경계를 누그러뜨리기 위해 자연스러운 대화를 시도하는 마이크.
Flight okay?
Huh? Yeah, thanks. Pretty used to it by now.
Come out this way a lot?
A few times a year. A lot of homeless here, huh?
Like you're dirt poor, you wouldn't catch me living on the sidewalk.
What's that saying? Don't judge a man till you walk a mile in his shoes.
I wore those shoes once. They didn't suit me too well.
Where'd you say you're from?
I'm from here, LA.
Whereabouts?
Bunch of places. Moved around a lot as a kid.
It's a nice car. You like cars?
Yeah, I prefer the old American ones. And what's yourself?
I was a kid. I dreamt about having a Mustang.
Like Steve McQueen.
Yeah. Yeah, Steve McQueen. It's funny, a guy your age wouldn't normally know who Steve McQueen is.
I grew up watching those movies.
Yeah, mine's Thomas Crown Affair. McQueen plays a high-class thief.
I didn't catch that one.
한편 사장과 함께 있는 신입의 방으로 가는 여자.
Hey, Sharon.
Madeline, you don't have to do this. You don't have to laugh at his silly little jokes or even act like you like him or anything here. Because that's what I did for years and years. And they told me exactly what they're telling you, that I was the brightest spark to ever be interviewed, that they were waiting for somebody like me to walk through that door. They said that I would make partner and that I would have equity, that I would be set for life. And then they dragged it on forever as if they were...
an HR problem and there's a protocol for that, and this
You know
is
what?
not it.
Shut the fuck up. You know what else? They don't care how smart you are. They don't care what you know or how good you are. All you are to them is bait. Bait to land the next big, fat, rich fish that these assholes can't land for themselves. Now, I don't know how many years that I'm gonna have left to offer since I'm 53, but I do know that I'm not gonna give them to you.
그렇게 퇴사를 한 세련.
Private security visiting a guest in the wedding suite.
It's fine. Go right ahead, sir.
It's my first day. I'm supposed to be on butler service.
Just down there. I take the next one, please, folks. Sorry.
Hey, I forgot which room I gotta take this to.
It'll be on the ticket.
First day, I don't know what I did with it.
Dial 011.
Hey, I got drinks for Monroe. I think they gave me the wrong room number.
Mr. Monroe?
I'm gonna call you back.
Babe?
Babe? Some guys here for you.
Oh, okay, good. No, I want it as is. Antwerp?
That's right.
Okay, I gotta go. Yeah, no, I gotta go. Any problems?
No, sir.
No issues with customs? Everyone, hands in your head right now. No one needs to get hurt.
What do you think you're doing?
You're on your knees facing the wall right now.
You're the security guy.
He has a gun. He has a gun. Just, he has a gun. Just
Rob.
just.
Hey, I'm not fucking around. On your knees right now. I'm not telling you again. On your fucking knees.
Don't hurt me.
그렇게 마이크가 방을 장악하게 되고
Where's the cash, Monroe?
Cash? What? There's no fucking cash.
The cash you're using to pay for the items in the case.
It's in the safe.
Where's the safe? Where's the fucking
It's
safe?
over there. It's to the left.
You know the code? No. All right, Monroe. When I say so, you're gonna crawl over to the safe unlocked, but do not open it. And crawl back to where you are now. You understand?
Yeah.
Move. Go.
Jesus. Fuck.
It's right there. It's right there.
Ah, shit. I fucked up.
All right, stop messing around. Come on.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I got it.
I'm not fucking ready.
Put in the fucking code.
Fuck. There it is.
Here you. Fill this bag up.
그렇게 돈가방을 건네받은 마이크는 이제 보석으로 넘어갑니다.
I'm just curious, man. Open the briefcase.
That's a combination.
Yes, okay. Nice and easy. Take the diamonds out.
Jesus fucking Christ, man. What the fuck is happening?
Okay, shut up.
그때
Put the gun down. I'm a police officer. You're under arrest. Put the gun down.
Second you pull that trigger, I pull mine. You probably got a kid somewhere, right? For what? For this fucking crooked prick?
It's the last time I'm asking you. Put the gun down now, James.
이 세상에서 그 이름을 아는 사람은 앤 아주머니 뿐이었는데
And I know you never heard anyone before.
Put the gun down.
I'm not putting the fucking gun down!
It's the last time I'm asking you.
Put the fucking gun down! Put the gun down! Put the fucking gun down!
Put the gun down.
Who the fuck is he? He's a cop.
Oh, you
Are
a fucking cop? Fucking cop? Put the gun down! You fucking laughing, man, huh? Hey?
Put it down.
You think I fucking play? You think I fucking play?
Listen to me.
Hey!
Listen to me.
Pig?
Put the gun down.
I'm Star County. You want blood in your fucking cop hands?
Put it down.
You want fucking blood in your cop hands? You are a cop! What? Get up! Hey! Shut up! Shoot him! Shoot him! Yeah! You think I fucking played?
Just take what you came for and go.
Push the case towards me. Push the fucking case towards me!
Just take it.
Don't fucking look at me.
I'm not looking at you.
Yes, you are. You see my face, so. I need to put your gun down. Put your fucking gun down. Come on. Put the gun down. Gun down. Put the fucking gun down!
I'm putting the gun down.
Why put the gun down? Put the fucking gun down! Put it down! Fuck yeah! Oh! Oh, shit!
오먼이 룰을 쏘려고 하자 마이크가 오먼을 먼저 쏜 상황. 즉사한 오먼. 그러자
Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get in your car and you're gonna drive and never come back. The money and the diamonds are still there. There's the thief.
오먼을 101 연쇄의 강도로 만들겠다는 루.
I want you. I know.
그렇게 1650만 달러의 퇴직금을 놓고 나가는 마이크. 그러자 억만장자가 분노하며
I'm gonna personally ensure that you do time. You're never gonna work ever again.
No, you're not. You're gonna keep your money and your stones. And when the cops show up here, you're gonna listen to what I tell them. And then you're gonna say what he said.
The fuck I will.
See, once they start investigating you for the importation of illegal stones and tax evasion, then they really start digging. So you better be squeaky fucking clean. Is that what you want?
합법의 가면을 쓴 더 큰 도둑 억만장자.
I suggest you get all that back in the safe before my colleagues arrive.
Detective Lebesnik, Robbery Division. I'm at the Beverly Wilshire Route 1018. I need an RA unit. I have 2 victims down.
그렇게 피비린내 나는 호텔 스위트룸을 뒤로하고 영원히 벗어날 수 없을 것 같던 지옥에서 살아남은 마이크. 잠시 후 집으로 돌아가는 버스 안. 좀 전 억만장자 가방에 있던 다이아몬드를 카셈 강도권 위조 다이아몬드와 바꿔치기 했던 루. 그래서 550만 달러어치 보석은 지금 루가 가지고 있는 상황. 한편
May you have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.
수업이 끝나자 세런을 만나고
I came by your apartment.
Oh, yeah, I was away.
Yeah, I had a message.
Oh, yeah. That's something for you. Maybe don't open that in here.
Why? What is it?
Something nobody's looking for.
바꿔치기한 진짜 다이아몬드를 그녀에게 준 루.
You said you have a message for me, too?
This was sent to me.
메시지는 마이크가 보낸 것.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Well, you think you'll be coming back to yoga?
I don't know. Think I should.
I think you should. See you.
See ya.
자신의 차를 루에게 넘긴 마이크. 한편 마이크는 위탁가정 시절 찍었던 사진을 마야에게 보냅니다. 한편 마이크의 차가 맘에 드는 루. 통제를 잃은 세상 속에서 자신만의 룰을 찾아 헤맨 한 남자의 지독한 여정. 지금까지 영화 크라임 101이었습니다.
달콤 리뷰와 함께라면 영화도 드라마도 더 깊게 듣는 감동 보는 재미 내일도 또 와줄 거죠. 다음 이야기에서 만나요.
달콤 리뷰. 구독, 좋아요.